Hello guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm very excited to share with you guys a new design. This paper airplane will complete my spirit collection designs. So I have the spirit dragon, the griffin, the phoenix, and these are very similar in terms of the wings, and this one will complete the collection. So I would call it the Leo, but I don't know what's the first part of the Leo would be. So I'll wait for you guys to help me to name the plane, but let me show you guys how this one flies. You hold the plane right here and throw it up to the skies. Of course, this is not a long distance paper airplane. As you can see, the head of the plane is not designed for aerodynamic. It's designed for the shape, the coolness, and it can do tricks. So let me throw it up to the sky and show you guys it can do loops now. So see, this plane always does loops. So if you throw it harder, it will fly further. It's not a short distance plane. Let's check it out again. You can see that it loops and it glides. Very cool. Wow. Because of the wings, the planes get a hard time to loop. So let's do it one more time. Just hold the plane up and throw it up to the skies. Wow! Wow! You see that? A very cool plane. We go to pick it up. Wow! Cool. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching the test flights. Don't forget to help me name the plane. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.